In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with eBay for easy Shopify eBay integration. Connecting both platforms allows you to manage products, inventory, and orders more efficiently from one place. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, click on Settings at the bottom left corner. Next, select Apps and Sales Channels. Now click on Shopify App Store to open the app marketplace. In the search bar, type eBay. From the search results, choose Shopify Marketplace Connect. Open the app page and click Install. You may be asked to confirm permissions, so click Install again to continue. After the app is installed, open Shopify Marketplace Connect from your Apps section. Now look for the eBay option and click Connect Account. You'll then be redirected to sign in to your eBay account. Log in with your eBay credentials and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection between Shopify and eBay. Once connected, you'll be able to sync products, manage inventory, and handle orders across both platforms more easily. That's it. You've successfully connected Shopify with eBay. Thanks for watching and happy selling.